How to fix Facebook Reels problem not showing. If any day you face a problem on the Facebook Reels and you would like to solve it, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device or manually search the Facebook on your mobile device. After you find the very Facebook application on your very mobile device, you have to tap on the Facebook. After you tap on Facebook, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the I like option there. After you tap on the I like option, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the notifications and then tap on it. You have to allow the notification and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, and photos and videos. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to open the supported links and then go back again. After going back, you have to go to the option of storage and then tap on it. After tapping on storage, you have to clear down the cache by tapping on clear the cache. And then you have to go back again and then go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, you can see an interface like this. Now what you have to do is you have to check the version, whether it is the very latest version or not. If it's the latest version, your very application is updated. Otherwise, you can go to the Google Play Store and manually update your very application there as well. In this way, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.